So the Samsung Galaxy S10 has again surfaced a very important leak today. For those who want to get a good screen on time on their smartphones, I must say the Galaxy S10 will be a great choice in the very near future. According to Ice Universe, the S series lineup will offer a complete battery upgrade ranging from a 3100 mAh battery for S10 Lite through a 4000 mAh for S10 Plus, while the regular S10 will stand between these two with a 3500 mAh unit. This step definitely makes a lot of sense for Samsung, as the Galaxy S lineup is not so famous for their battery approach. Also, to make a good position in the market, the Galaxy S10 actually needs to get some serious changes. Now, if you are getting some negative thoughts about the S10 Lite, just remember that the Snapdragon 855 and Exynos 9820 are very light chipsets with a mind-blowing experience, so there should be no major problem related to this aspect. At the same time, if you are so involved in mobile tasks, just go for the regular S10 variants, because the S10 Lite is an affordable flagship phone that obviously cannot give you a proper flagship experience. And yeah, to improve the overall battery experience, Samsung will not introduce S10 series with a charging power less than 20 watt. This should be enough for your premium pocket device. I mean, the VOOC fast charging by Oppo is using the exact same technology with some variation. And if this comes to Samsung, the S10 will get a very exciting element in the box. All after that, Samsung is working on a newer version of the Gear Icon X earbuds in addition to some more exciting products. This is my all-time favorite Samsung Gear, and when we talk about the 2019 Icon X, the Korean giant will try to bring some very good changes with an 8 gigs of internal storage, which is the highest storage upgrade on any previous Gear products. Some reports believe that Samsung will also bring AKG tuning into these particular earbuds. Additionally, to make these changes possible, the company might charge a higher price tag. To be very clear, AKG and Samsung collab is the best around the globe, and to maintain that, the company needs to follow this path. That said, for daily updates like this, you know what to do. Peace out.